Assalamu alaikum, ahlan wa sahlan. Hi everyone, hope you're well. One of the things that we did over the last few months was introduce the Quizlet application. Now, since we've had so many new people join the group, I decided to go through and do a review of how to install and use the application. So the application that we're talking about is here, Quizlet. Now this is available on Android and iOS. And what you do is when we send you the link, if you click on it, if you don't have it installed, it will then guide you to the store to install the application. It is free of charge, so there is no cost. And once you've logged in, basically what will happen is that you will see, depending on the class, at the bottom you see the classes that you're enrolled on, and at the top you'll see the sets that are available. So every time we do a lesson, we will create a set for that lesson. How to use it, so if we look at the greetings and introduction one, for instance, so at the top you see it tells you what the set name is and how many terms are in it. And then you've got 5 different options to learn, which I'll cover in a minute. And then as you go down, you'll see the expressions or the terms that are in the set. So here, which is Sabah al-Khair, Sabah al-Noor, Masa al-Khair, and so forth. What will happen there is when you play one of these, if you run the speaker, Sabah al-Khair, say
Good
what
morning.
it is. Okay, and same with the next one, Sabah al-Noor.
Response to good morning.
Okay, and next one,
Masa al-Khair.
Good evening.
And so forth. So what I would say is go through and learn all these expressions. It says study this set. When you hit the study this set, it will ask you which option to select. So if you do learn, if you've done it before, it'll tell you how much you did and what your progress was. My smoke is what is your name to a male. So there, and next one, and so forth. Okay, so that's the first way. The second way of learning is to go through and do the flashcards. So here it gives you the English, and then the aim is to try and remember what the Arabic was. So how are you would be كيف الحال. So when you tap on it, it tells you كيف الحال. Okay, there's swipe left for the next one. Response to good morning is صباح النور, صباح النور. Okay, so then again, same again. Next one, the man is الرجل, الرجل. Okay, so again you can
الرجل.
speaker to get the pronunciation. Okay, so that's the second way of doing things. If you go back to the third one, the writing, it's up to you if you want to do that. Because I've put harakat on the words, you need to type it in exactly as it is to get the right mark. The fourth one is the match. So if you go through, and it's a game you play with the other members in the classroom. So when you go through, all you have to do is try to match them up. So uridu would be I would like. The sun is Ashams. Naam is yes. Where are you from? And then what is your name? Is Maismaki. Ahlan. Hello. Okay, so there you go. Okay, so here we go. The fastest person who's done this is 12.4 seconds, which was actually me. And then I did it in 23 seconds. So what you do is you keep doing this, and every time you get different questions, different answers, and try and beat your score. Okay, so and then finally, if you feel that you know it all, then the best thing to do is to do the complete test. Here it tells you the number of questions you can select. You can either do all of them or you can do some of them. You're done, and the instant evaluation would give you the answers straight away. Okay, or you can do it at the end. Answer with English and Arabic, and again, and then true or false questions, multiple choice. Okay, so when you're ready, you start. So your response to good evening is Masa al-Noor. Next one, Mudarris. Mudarrisa is a female teacher. Next one, doctor is Tabib. Student, male, is Talib. See you later. Okay, is Ila al-Liqa. Where is Aina? What is your name? Ma ismuka, or ma ismuk. Min fadlika is please to a male. Okay, also to is Aydon. Then ismuka is your name, male. Okay, so then you go through and do the test, and then at the end of the test, you'll know whether you've passed or not. Okay, and test. and it'll tell you how many you did. Okay, so that's the way to use this, and every time you'll get different term. Like I said, the terms that you get in the set will be based on the lesson that we have in the meetup. Okay, so the very best of luck. If you have any problems, ask anybody in the group, and they'll be able to guide you. Any of the organizers, Abir, Javier, so, and myself, of course. So the very best of luck, and inshallah I'll speak to you soon. إلى اللقاء, مع السلامة.